All right, it is Monday, November 6, 2023. The war news just continues on like a horror. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the allegorical sea monsters now done, and a bunch more to do. Left and right there, and these in the upper portion of the drawing. All right, in memory of all the children who died in this latest miserable Israeli-Palestinian Gaza-Hamas war. Okay, how are we doing, budgies? A lot of singing. They got quiet when I turned the camera on. They're camera shy. At least sometimes. Okay. I hear a little chirping. Okay, we're listening to King Classic Radio here. All right, to be continued. We're halfway done now.